That's right, and it has been a wet start to the day. Today we picked up over 1 1/3 inches, and that will wipe out that rainfall deficit that we've had for the year so far, and we're not done with the rain or the snow just yet. Take you back to this morning as that rain was just starting to roll in as you were tuning in. Tim, early this morning at 4:30 on Daybreak, you saw him tracking that rain and some of the heavier rain, especially across areas of North Carolina, as that one low pressure center develops and intensifies off the coast. We've got that upper level energy that'll swing through here tomorrow, and that's when we will see the chance of some of that rain changing over to snow. So let's start off with Futurecast through the evening. Mostly cloudy skies, a few showers around. We're not looking at a lot of rain for the next several hours, but the rain will continue to move back in as we start the day tomorrow. We'll take you into 5 o'clock tomorrow morning looking at mostly cloudy skies, and there could even be a few pockets of some more moderate rain. But here's that rain snow line out towards the west, approaching Richmond and Tappahannock as that cold air wraps in behind the system. Initially, we'll start out with northeast winds. They'll become northerly and then northwesterly, and that'll bring that cold air in. So 7 o'clock, still most of us dealing with rain, but it's by about 9 o'clock that the western and northwestern areas will start to see that changeover, and that'll slowly work its way eastward. Notice across North Carolina might take a little longer, and you might not even get much of a changeover, and Southside will be right on that line. So when we show you that snowfall map, you'll see that we have lower totals to the south, some higher totals off towards the north, where you'll be a little bit closer to the core of that colder air. Into the afternoon, mixed bag of some precipitation Southside into North Carolina, likely looking at some snow off towards the north, and that'll finally wrap up as we get into the evening and the overnight hours. Could be a leftover flurry or two late Wednesday night or early Thursday morning before skies start to clear out into the afternoon, but a blustery day on Thursday with high temperatures in the lower 40s. So as we talk about those snowfall totals, once again, generally under 1 inch across much of the south side, northeastern North Carolina, and likely across the southern portion of the peninsula. But as you move up the peninsula, closer to Williamsburg, Middle Peninsula, Matthews, Gloucester, Middlesex County, over towards the eastern shore, 1 inch to 2 inches. And that snowfall intensity, if it comes down in big flakes real quick, we could see some accumulation on some roadways. Mainly we're thinking on grass, mulch, decks, and elevated surfaces. And well up to Accomack County and up across the northern neck, we could even see a little bit more, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches of snow, especially as you get closer to the Washington, D.C. area. Tides, they'll be a little bit elevated as we go through the day. This morning we were up around 4.5 feet. We'll be up to 5 feet during the overnight hours, and then those tides will drop just a little bit. Some minor flooding possible over the next few high tides. Cloudy skies as we look out across Newport News right now. 44 degrees, winds out of the north at 22 miles per hour. Most spots in the 40s. We've got a few 50s across North Carolina, 37 up in Tappahannock, 43 in Williamsburg, 41 Matthews, and 47 in Gatesville. So for tonight, windy, chilly, areas of rain, 37 degrees. Rain showers early, ending as snow tomorrow, 40 degrees. Winds out of the northwest at 10 to 20, gusting up to 30. And then for Thursday, maybe that early morning flurry, otherwise 45 degrees. 47 and mostly sunny on Friday. That's looking like a really nice day. And Saturday, pretty nice as well. 48, and then Sunday we'll watch some colder temperatures and maybe another chance at some mixed precipitation, 45, and then temperatures warm up quickly to 50 on Monday and 54 on Tuesday.